If you're looking to strengthen your proposals, adding case studies is one of the most powerful tools you can use. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you how to seamlessly integrate case studies into your proposals to make them stand out and convert more leads into clients. Stick around till the end because I'm also going to share an exclusive offer for software that will make this process a whole lot easier for you. The first step in adding case studies to your proposals is knowing exactly what makes a case study effective. A great case study tells a story. It shows the problem, the solution you provided, and the successful outcome. So, the first thing you need to do is identify a relevant case that aligns with the needs of your potential client. It's important that you choose a case study where the results can be directly applied to the challenges your proposal is aiming to address. That relevance is key to making it impactful. Now, once you've selected your case study, structure it clearly. Start with the challenge the client was facing before your involvement. This gives the client context. What were the pain points? What did they need help with? Make sure to highlight the difficulties they were dealing with and how these issues are similar to what your potential client is facing now. Next, dive into the solution you provided. This is where you can really shine. Explain the steps you took, the processes you implemented, and any innovative strategies that were crucial to success. This part of the case study should be easy to follow and clearly show how your solution directly addressed the problem. Use numbers and specifics if you can. Metrics like ROI or improvement percentages make a big difference here. Then, wrap up with the results. What were the measurable outcomes of your work? This is the most critical part of the case study, and it's your chance to show the success you delivered. Clients want to know, what will this do for me? So show them the numbers, the improvements, and the long-term benefits. Make it clear that the results weren't just theoretical, they were real and impactful. When you're adding case studies to your proposal, always keep them relevant, concise, and focused on outcomes. Make sure your case study answers the questions your client will have. What's in it for me? And why should I choose you? You want to make them feel confident that you can deliver the same success for them. Here's a pro tip. If you're short on case studies, you can repurpose testimonials or data points from your existing clients. Even if you don't have a full case study ready, sharing success stories can still make a big impact. Now, if you're looking for a tool that makes this process easier, whether it's gathering client feedback, creating professional case study templates, or tracking the results, I recommend you check out the software we'll be using in this video. It's got everything you need to streamline your case study creation and presentation, and you can get an exclusive free trial by clicking the link in the description below. This offer is only available to viewers of my channel, so be sure to take advantage of it. The key takeaway here is simple. To strengthen your proposals, you need to add case studies that highlight the problems you solved, the solutions you provided, and the measurable results you achieved. This process not only builds trust, but also shows that you've done it before and can deliver real value. To quickly recap, 1. Select a relevant case study that addresses your client's challenges. 2. Structure the case study with clear problem, solution, and result sections. 3. Use numbers and specifics to make the results tangible. 4. And finally, don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial of the software we talked about to help you create even more powerful case studies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.